If the iPhone 18 Pro truly comes with Starlink-powered satellite connectivity, we might be looking at the biggest iPhone upgrade in years. Imagine traveling completely off the grid. No cell towers, no Wi-Fi, and still being able to call, text, and browse. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future might arrive sooner than you think. Fresh leaks suggest Apple is planning a major jump in connectivity for its upcoming iPhones, and all signs point towards something massive brewing between Apple and Elon Musk's Starlink. Even though the iPhone 17 Pro just launched, reports about the iPhone 18 Pro are already heating up. According to insiders, Apple's next flagship could take satellite communication to a whole new level. This time, we're not just talking about emergency SOS messages. The iPhone 18 Pro might introduce full 5G, satellite connectivity, meaning your phone could connect directly to satellites orbiting the Earth. That's right, no more relying on cell towers. You could be in the middle of the desert, on a mountain, or in the middle of the ocean, and still stay connected. Apple first introduced limited satellite communication in 2022 with the iPhone. It was a breakthrough feature, but it only worked for emergencies. The iPhone 18 Pro could take that technology mainstream, bringing satellite-level 5G to all apps, calls, and texts. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. According to reports, SpaceX is adding Globalstar-compatible frequencies into its latest Starlink satellite designs. Globalstar is Apple's current partner for emergency SOS features, but rumor has it that Globalstar might soon be sold for nearly $10 billion. That sale could mark the beginning of a new era, where Apple parts ways with Globalstar and partners directly with SpaceX. If that happens, Apple could deliver Starlink-powered satellite coverage across the iPhone lineup, something no other smartphone brand has achieved. But of course, nothing's confirmed yet. Apple's known for moving carefully, and Starlink isn't exactly cheap. Initially, Apple considered charging for satellite access, but that plan never took off. However, with 5G satellite support, that could change, possibly as a premium feature for iPhone 18 Pro users. And speaking of premium, Apple seems to be preparing for its next flagship earlier than usual. Reports say Apple has already requested 13 million units of Samsung's 10nm LPDDR5X RAM for the iPhone 18 lineup. That's a serious move, and it shows Apple is gearing up for something powerful. The iPhone 18 Pro could also come equipped with 6-channel DRAM, boosting bandwidth and performance for AI-powered features. While Apple hasn't yet moved to LPDDR6 memory, experts believe Samsung will remain Apple's top RAM supplier, just as it already provides millions of OLED displays. And Samsung might have another role in Apple's 2026 roadmap, becoming the exclusive supplier of OLED panels. Subscribe to the channel.